Remaining at the forefront of holding authorities accountable and ensuring that citizens' rights are upheld, the Nigerian Bar Association (NBA) is intensifying advocacy for the rule of law and human rights, as lawyers in the Ikorodu branch of the NBA is leading the trail with its Law Week.
Society is properly informed on the basic things that we need to know as society members. We have realized that most of members of the public are either deficient in knowledge or have limited access to knowledge. So what we do in the branch and what we continue to do is to ensure that there is enough awareness of critical issues that affect members of the society amongst the people.
The motto of the NBA is to promote the rule of law and also to fight for indigents and those who are unnecessarily deprived. We have a legislation. We are proposing it to the Law Reform Committee of the state. When we have a customary marriage done by an individual, it should also be codified so that they will have a form of certificate, at least recognizing that particular customary marriage. So members of the community would not be forced into having 3 separate weddings.
The branch, with a vibrant legal aid committee, is creating awareness on social vices, addressing issues such as police brutality, unlawful detentions, and other human rights abuses.
We found out that most of the police officers we train, because we do training for police officers, know your right, this is how you approach defendants or what have you. Majority of those we train, at the end of the day, they get transferred. So that knowledge is not passed on to someone who is coming, and that person keeps making the same mistake. So there's an institutional deficit within the police system that needs a total overhaul. So we have a lot of work to do, but we believe that the change we are seeking begins with you and I in the community.
Lawyers are change agents in the society. Through the Nigerian Bar Association, specifically Ikorodu branch, we want to inspire change within our society, starting from Ikorodu and across the length and breadth of Lagos State and Nigeria at large.
With the theme Through the Bar, Inspiring Change and Embracing Growth, the Law Week of the community-based branch is socially responsible to the plight of the citizenry.
The 26th of April 2025, we have a medical outreach by 10 a.m. in the morning. The medical outreach focuses on diagnostic screenings that have to do with both genders. 28th of April, we have a human rights awareness walk, which commences from the High Court in Ikorodu. So this year, we will be discussing the local government autonomy in Nigeria, whether a myth or a reality. We have distinguished speakers that have lined up for the event.
So we are going to have a robust conversation around the autonomy of local government in Nigeria. If local government works in Nigeria, believe me, our society will be better.
In partnership with stakeholders to foster more just and equitable society, these lawyers will continue to stand as a beacon of hope, integrity and resilience for residents of Ikorodu Division. Adeshegun Igop, LTV News.